I don't know what we should do for this week's video. What should we do for this week's video? I don't have an idea. How about you? I don't have an idea. How about you? Gabby, how am I supposed to know? Gabby, how am I supposed to know? I know what she needs. She needs hot chocolate. I'm gonna go get some hot chocolate. Shoot. She's gonna go get hot chocolate. Wait, no, don't get any hot chocolate. Remember what happened last time? Wait, no, don't get any hot chocolate. Remember what happened last time? Do it. So delicious. Oh my gosh, this is such a fun game. Oh my gosh, Eva, I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. Gabby, this was like $200. I am so sorry, Eva. Here's $200 back. Thanks. I'm gonna go to the store now. Thanks. I'm gonna go to the store. Bye. Yeah, let me call you back. So, I see some yoga balls and other exercise balls, and sounds wrong. And I see some iPads. But, would you look at this? It's a magical, glowing Fitbit. Oh, I just have to have it. And it's $200! There's an exercise ball and some yoga balls. Not to be inappropriate or anything, but yeah, there's some iPads. And ooh, what's this? A nice glowing Fitbit that sorry. It's a he. I'm so sorry.
It's $200.
Here you go. That's exactly how much I have, sir.
Sorry, sweet pea. It cost 50 more cents. But I'll just keep this for your studying.
If I don't get to keep the Fitbit, you won't keep. You're so mean. Wait, I have an idea. What if we do a video where we don't have an idea and it shows the little people inside our minds? Heck to the no!